Hello and welcome to my very first vlog here on Cooking the Books with Heather. It is November 30th, so we're gonna record the day before and try to get it up the next day. So for December 1st, this is the video. I'm starting my day. I've already had several cups of coffee, had a meeting at school, and now I have stopped at Starbucks. The weather is nasty. And I'm going to be driving to work. I don't actually go into work very often. I usually work from home, but I'm driving into work and I needed lots of coffee. So I have my chestnut praline latte. I love okay, I don't love all of the holiday flavors, but this is my favorite of the holiday flavors. Nice and hot. Don't like that all of the bottom gets really sweet and it's hard to mix up. But anyway, and bacon egg bites. These are the Gruyere and bacon, I think is what they're called. Anyway, those are my favorite. That's my standard breakfast if I need it from the Starbucks. It's high protein, low carb, and I should be following that kind of diet. And my hair with the hood. Anyway, I will try to let you know like what I'm eating throughout the day. If I do any interesting Christmas stuff, we're going to talk about that on this channel and on these vlogs. And if I do any off the cuff kind of cooking, we'll show you some of that. But this is going to be just much more vlog style than I usually do. So stay tuned. I am eating some salami and cheese and crackers, and that will be my snack until dinner time. So it's a little after 5 o'clock. As you can see, my kitchen is absolutely a mess because I haven't been home all day. Usually I do a little bit of cleaning throughout the day when I hit the kitchen, but my husband brought me home some sipping chocolate, so I had that as well. But now it's time to decide what's for dinner. So, open up the refrigerator. And you can see we have a lot of stuff in here. We've been eating out a lot since we just got home from a trip. And yeah, I think we're going to have some leftovers. We have some fried chicken. We have some leftovers from, I cooked last night. We have some leftovers there. And we have some leftover pizza as well. So I'm just going to heat some things up and throw them together. And if I really have to, make an extra vegetable. Okay, so I pulled everything out of the refrigerator. It's about an hour since I finished work. Had to go get the dog from doggy daycare. The kids are about to come home from Taekwondo, and this is what we have. So we have some pizza. The kids will only eat one of those pieces, so I guess the adults will eat the rest. We have some fried chicken. In here we've got some baked beans. In here we've got some hush puppies. We've got a few French fries. And look, my son absolutely begged me to buy some mixed vegetables. And I don't think he's going to like this because it has potatoes in it, but they serve it at school and he thinks it's absolutely wonderful. So, hey, I needed some vegetables, opened up a can, threw it in there. We'll see what happens. But that is going to be our dinner for tonight. I don't know who's going to eat what, but if we have to eat anything else, if there's not enough, well, we have more stuff in the refrigerator. So I'm about to cook. It's been rainy today. Anyway, so I'm about to heat everything up. Kids will be home soon. If absolutely necessary, there is definitely more stuff in the refrigerator. I can always make a sandwich. I don't know. I think there's going to be more than enough food though for us for dinner. And so that's it for right now. I've got a couple other things to show you, but that is about it for now. So I have 3 advent calendars for the adults to do. Well, one the kids can share and one they don't really care about. So I'll show you those tomorrow. But this one is for the kids. So I bought this several years ago. It's all Disney princesses. I have a daughter. And so I bought this mostly for her, and then I couldn't find another one for my son. And honestly, she's not that into Disney princesses anymore, but they love that this one is refillable with candy. And when they're done, they're ornaments that go on the Christmas tree. So, yeah, I have to fill it up every year. I did not fill it up last year. I don't remember if I filled it up the year before, but they absolutely love it because they get to eat candy every day. So I've got some different candies, and I just try to make them different every day. I've got some Kit Kats here, and I've got this really huge Hershey's assortment that's got Reese's, the Hershey's little mini candy bar mix, Rolo, and Hershey Kisses. This looks like it has a broken Reese cup in it somewhere. That's okay. Reese, I know I say Reese, it's Reese's, whatever. That's what I've always said. So what I'm going to be doing is opening these up. Now, some of them are really difficult to open. So I have my super specialized tool. It's a butter knife. And it's the same one I've used before because it's got a little bit of a bend here. Every year they get a little bit easier, but there's usually at least 1 or 2 that I need to use that for. But so this one opened up pretty easy. You can just kind of squeeze it. And then it holds relatively decent amount of candy. It'll hold, I have to put 1 for each kid in there, obviously, and then they take turns deciding or who opens it every night. And then I just try to fit it all in there. Snaps back together. And see, this one has a 1 on the side. So they're all numbered 1 through 25. So they actually get 1 on Christmas Day, but we start December 1st opening these up. So I'm going to keep filling these up, and you'll probably see this on fast forward. All right, that is my last one. There we go. And I probably put a little bit more of the Kit Kat in just because I think that's their favorite of all of these. And Mommy's going to give them a little tax and take one of the chocolate peanut butter cups because those are my favorite. And I've got a ton of candy left over to do something with. That's probably it for today's vlog because I'm going to put my PJs on. I'm going to go sit down. I'm going to make my husband edit this video and upload it for you guys to see tomorrow. And then I'm going to go to bed. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you are enjoying it, please leave me a comment below and tell me what you want to see, what you want to see more of, what you want to see less of, maybe. And we'll see you again tomorrow.